Hello, my name is Eden and I'm from Vancouver, Canada. I'm in my second year at Pearson College, UWC. All of my life, I've had a strong connection with nature. I grew up playing in forest in British Columbia, swimming in rivers in Colombia, and going on camping adventures with my family. Since at Pearson, we live near the ocean throughout the year, and we study the ocean in class. The effects of plastic on marine life really became apparent to us and made us want to take action. I've always been mindful of the issues and consequences of plastic pollution. It is important to me to be aware and spread knowledge of the obstacles that the world is facing regarding plastics. In addition to this, it is important to act on these difficulties, which is why Antoine and I are working together on Pearson College Precious Plastic.
Hey, it's Antoine from Switzerland. I'm 16 and I'm studying at UWC Pearson College. All my life I have been in contact with nature. I spent countless hours hiking in the mountains, swimming in Geneva Lake and playing in the fields picking up flowers. Thanks to my family and the education I received, I developed a real passion for the conservation of our environment. Our project is to build a small plastic recycling factory on campus to fight plastic pollution. We are going to work hand in hand with Metrosin people, inhabitants of the nearest town, to build up the workshop, and in exchange we will offer them to recycle their plastic. The workshop and the machines will follow the plans shared and designed by the already established organization Precious Plastic in the Netherlands. At long term, we want this project to be self-sustainable. The facility will be maintained by the students from the Precious Plastic CAS. Plastic will be collected from beaches, the cafeteria, the campus, but also from the neighboring community. The machines will allow us to repurpose waste into plates, containers for bulk shopping, cups and bowls. The production from the recycling of plastic will be sold and the profit will be used to support initiatives on campus or for the maintenance of our workshop.
The plastics that are polluting our seas mostly come from landfills that drain to the oceans via rivers that flush through all of the continents, or they're directly dumped into the ocean itself. We were inspired to start Precious Plastic because of a beach cleanup that we did in marine science class together. We wanted to address the plastic pollution issue by acting by example, teaching others, raising awareness in the Victoria community, and by, of course, recycling plastic on our own. We will hope to drastically reduce the amount of plastic waste that the cafeteria and student store are producing every day, and hopefully encourage them to head toward more sustainable practices.